I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your device supports video out. Most Lightning iPhones and iPads do. Once confirmed, plug the Lightning to digital AV adapter into your device. This adapter converts the Lightning signal to HDMI. Make sure the adapter is certified. Non-certified units may not carry video or may fail intermittently. Next, connect a standard HDMI cable from the adapter to the TV or monitor. Make sure the TV input is set to the HDMI port you used, and keep the device awake while you can. Once the cable is connected, power on the display and switch to the HDMI input. Sometimes TVs don't auto-switch. If you see a black screen, reconnect the adapter and try another HDMI port to rule out cable or port issues. On your iPhone or iPad, swipe to Control Center and check screen mirroring. Normally, the adapter forces mirroring, but toggling can help. If you plan to stream long video or play games, connect a Lightning power source to the adapter's pass-through to prevent battery drain and possible signal drops. To finish, confirm the image fills the screen and audio routes to the TV. Adjust TV aspect ratio or iOS audio output if needed. If you get no picture or audio, restart the iOS device and the display, then reset every connection, Lightning, adapter, and HDMI. If problems persist, test with a different HDMI cable or another TV to isolate the fault. Finally, update iOS and use an Apple-certified adapter. Non-certified adapters are the most common cause of intermittent or missing video and audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.